What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sketchy. We're going to be taking the CRF250R out today for a little ride down the road like we did the two-stroke the other day. One obstacle is that it's raining a little bit, so it may be a little muddy mess. It's been raining pretty much all day, so we might get sketched out on the road. Hopefully we don't get down because I'm wearing shorts. I know I got a hoodie on because it's a little bit cold out here today. But I got a new mount that I put on my helmet, so hopefully you'll be able to see a little bit better instead of straight down at the handlebars like you did on the two-stroke. But let me tell you one thing, this bike is not running A1, alright? It was running pretty good in one of the videos there that you've seen before, but now it's like sputtering out and it's bogging real bad. So I don't know if it needs rejetted. I'm thinking that it's the accelerator pump, because you could ride it and it seems to be doing pretty good, but when you crack on the throttle real hard, the throttle response is not there. It bogs down and then it picks back up. So I'm thinking it's the AP, but I'm not sure on that. But I got that on order. Hopefully we'll be putting that on sometime tomorrow or some junk. But I got the bike for sale, so I wanted to take a trip down the road and ride it through the field for you guys. So let's get the stupid thing started first, and then we'll put you on my helmet, and hopefully we'll have a better view at it. But let's get down the road and take her through the grass. So this bike, I don't know if you guys can hear me. This bike is kind of hard to start. I shimmed the valves on it and thought I had them right, but I don't know if the carburetor's still gummed up and I didn't get it clean enough or what. But hopefully it'll start for us, because with tennis shoes on and wet kickstart, it sucks. Check out my mechanic gloves. But we're gonna go down the road here and hopefully we'll be all right. or it didn't die. My SD ran out halfway down this hill. So now we got about 16 minutes worth left. So we'll hit this down here at the bridge real quick and then head back home. If we can get this stupid thing started. How do we run it so far? Ah, dang it. Might have to recheck the valves. right, guys, there you go. There you have it. We took the bike down the road. Took me a while to get to the start here, and then it took me a while to get to start after it was warmed up and we was down there by the creek. It still needs some work. I mean, there ain't no getting over that. So tonight, I'm gonna take it back in the garage and I'm gonna take it all the way back down. I'm gonna retime it to make sure it's right. And then I'm gonna recheck the valves, because they may have been off a little bit. I ain't for sure. Pretty sure I got them right, but after it ran, you know, it ain't ran in a while. So after it ran, it could be off. You know, 30 minutes run time, they could probably be off. I'm not sure. I don't know, guys, but hope you don't make fun of my mechanic gloves too bad. Maybe if you guys start hitting that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Get my views and channel up. Might can buy some more junk and get some cool stuff for this channel. I hope you liked the view, the angle that I had. It was a little bit better, I think, than the chest, but who knows until I watch this video. It may be freaking junk when I edit this. I don't know. So I hope you like that. They do have this like cool little mount that goes on the front of the helmet. I wouldn't mind having one of those. We'll see, guys. I got the bike for sale for right now. I might have to take it back offline and get it running a little bit better. I hate to sell people junk. I don't want them to be like, don't buy nothing from that dude because he sells junk. I want it to be kind of right, you know, good for them. It's done got new head gaskets, a new air filter. It's got new grips on it. See here, the water pump is new. The impeller is new. The bearings and the bushing, or the seals rather. The transmission fluid, the oil filter, everything like that is new in it. And I used Honda stuff. I don't like using cheap junk if I don't have to. I tried to do the bike right. It still needs some work. Hopefully, maybe some of you guys can comment down. Well, there ain't no sense commenting and tell me why it's running like crap, because it'll probably be gone before this video is even posted. It'll probably be sold. Done had 2 or 3 people wanting to buy it, but I do have right now on order, and it should be here soon, a new accelerator pump kit, and also a fuel, the air fuel mixture screw. I bought one of the ones that sticks down because my fat hands can't get up under there and screw that little screw. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Well, it's not a short video, it's gonna be a freaking long video, but I hope you enjoyed the video riding the 4-stroke. The FMF pipes sound great on this bike. The Pro Circuit on the 2-stroke sounds great too. I don't know, I kind of hate to sell this bike. I had the 450 a while back. I should have kept it because it ran, it ran good. But 250s, hey, they might be little bikes, but I like them, boys. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, support the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, throw me a comment, you know, just say, hey, I watched the freaking thing, you guys, you suck. Thanks for watching. Drop me a comment. We love you guys. We'll see you guys on the next video.